Do you have a Norwex mop? Guess what? We love our Norwex mop system, and we love that we can clean our floors with water alone, saving our time, money, and our health. Now this handy reservoir attaches to your mop handle, and it's better than any mop I've ever owned. Cleaning with Norwex microfiber is a game changer. With water alone, it removes 99% of bacteria from your surface. No harmful chemicals, especially on our floors where our kids, our grandkids, our pets play. Also helps reduce waste and harmful chemicals from spray mop solutions and disposable single-use mop pads that are so expensive too. It's better for us and the environment and saves us money. When I'm done sweeping, I like to use the Norwex rubber brush to get all the debris off of my mop pad. So again, this is much better than a broom. Look at that. Okay, it is time to wet mop our floor. So you're gonna grab your blue mop pad, the wet mop pad, and just get it slightly damp under the sink, and then give it a good wring. Slap that wet pad on our mop system and get to work. You can go in a figure 8 or back and forth. For wet mopping, you want to keep the wet mop pad damp while you're working, and sometimes that can be a challenge if you have a lot of floors. You might have to re-wet the mop pad. Wouldn't it be great if there was a solution for that? Yes, it would be, and that's where the mop sprayer comes in handy. So this easily attaches to your mop. Let me show you how to do it. I'm attaching my mop sprayer. I like to first pull the reservoir out of the mop sprayer, and then you're going to slightly disassemble the bottom of your mop. Pressing these 2 buttons, you're going to pop the base off and then replace the base with the mop sprayer attachment. So you squeeze the 2 buttons and just press that in, and now that's locked into place on the handle. And you're gonna grab the mop base, and also you're gonna push down those 2 buttons and just snap that right in place. And now your mop sprayer attachment is on, and you can keep it on there. You don't have to remove it unless you wanna clean it with a Norwex EnviroCloth. Let's fill up the reservoir with water. You only want to use water in your reservoir. So you just unscrew the top and fill it up. And then we are going to replace the nozzle. And I love this, it doesn't leak, it's fantastic. And just slide it down in the mop sprayer holder. And now it's good. You're gonna get 160 sprays out of this, and you can keep it full when you're done mopping. If there's still water in it, don't worry, it's built to hold the water, so no need to constantly take that off. You are attached and full of water. When you're mopping, okay, and your mop pad, you notice, is starting to dry a little bit, you wanna hold the handle at a 90 degree and then just gently push on the handle. So again, you just gently push on the handle. It just sprays a small amount of water in front of the mop, and it doesn't overspray, which I like, so I can use it with any size mop, the mini mop, the full size, even our extra large. And it's built not to spray when it's at an angle, and that's so that we don't have accidental sprays. So there's our mop spray.
Mop shuffle. Hey, let's do the mop shuffle. Everybody on your feet, let's do the mop shuffle. Hey, let's do the mop shuffle. Everybody on your feet, let's do the mop shuffle. Hey, let's do the mop shuffle.